Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to undo or edit either last git commit message you have or one of the previous git commit messages you have that is already pushed. Sometimes projects you work on have specific commit message structure, and if you mess up that structure, you need to go back and undo or edit your last commit message. The problem we'll be solving today if that git commit is already pushed. This is my own GitHub project that has two commits with a string test on them, and I'm going to remove those right now, and I'll show you how to do that. First, of course, you need to be in the directory of the project you're going to edit the commit message. And if this is the last commit message you want to edit, then this is as simple as running git commit amend. After you do that, most likely you will see the editor like this, and it is not as simple to figure out how this works without a lot of Googling. First, what you do is you press the escape key. Next, you press the I key on your keyboard. And now you can edit the commit message. I'm gonna delete this test. And after that, we'll press escape key again. Press shift and twice Z. So shift Z Z. Now, as you can see, the commit message is changed and we can do push force. So that's all. We pushed our changes and it is done. We can check this now in the browser and the test screen is gone. Okay, but if you want to change another commit message like this one here, another test commit test, you cannot do git commit amend, but you can do git rebase, and this is how this is gonna work. So what you type now is git rebase with a flag I, that means interactive, head, and then the tilde sign, and after that you specify how many commits you want to go back, and in my case it'll be 2 commits. So what you see now is a list of commands, and the list of commits are in the reversed order. Again, we press escape and I, and then we can edit the commit message we want to edit, and let's say that'll be my another test commit with a test in parentheses. As you can see, there are a lot of different commands like pick, reword, edit. I'm gonna use edit for this case. After I do edit, what I do is now escape, shift ZZ. And after that, you can see that the git console log suggests us to run git commit amend to change that commit message. And this is what we're going to do. Amend. Again, we'll press escape. I delete this test in parentheses. Escape again. Shift ZZ. And this is done. We can push our changes now. Okay, this has happened because I didn't continue and finish what we need to do after we are satisfied with our changes. The git suggests us to run the git rebase continue. So let's do that. Git rebase continue. Successfully rebased and updated. Git push force. And now let's see if it is indeed updated, and it is updated. So that is it. Changing git commit messages can be a pain, but this is how you can do it. If you messed up one of your commit messages, you can go back and change the message. And this is it. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments.